Yes, dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At present, I am here at it is the famous area of Bandipura, uh, commonly known as Gund Jahangir. Gund Jahangir is from that very side, and from that very side, one can go towards Wular Lake, and from that very direction, there is also the main Bandipura headquarter, and from that very side is the famous Wular Lake, and from that very side one may go towards Sopor, and from that very direction one may go towards Baramulla, and from that very direction there is famous Hygam wetland area, and from that very side one may go towards Sumbal, Shadipura, towards Gandarbal, etc. And these are the great visuals which are presented by Almighty Allah, and you can see the views all around here. Overall, it's a great experience for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.